Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home. And this video is also in collaboration with Glam New York. So they send me a couple boxes or packages of different nail products that they offer for me to try and let you guys know my thoughts about these products. I will show you guys what I got. The first one is the mini UV or LED lamp. So this is how it looks like. I got the white one, and check it out guys, it's so slim, it's so compact, and you just pop off the legs there and then you put it on your desk, and then you use this to cure your nail polish or gel polish. It also comes with a USB power cord. They also sent me a few nail polishes. So I have the base coat and the top coat. So I got the Star Cut Eye Gel, and this one is called Reba. And then I got the holographic one as well in the shade Hollow Night. And then last but not the least, I got Pure Energy. This is the glitter ones. I got like the pink ones, it looks like that. So yeah, you will see the top of their lids to show what the nail polish would look like on your nails. So for today, I've decided I will try two of them. One is the Hollow Night and then the other one is the Pure Energy. So I wanted to try this two, and I wanted to see how this two performs compared with other gel polishes that I've tried before. So just a little background, I've been getting acrylic nails in the salon for a few months now, and I've been loving it. I also been doing at-home gel polishes, especially last year when the lockdown started to happen and all the salons are closed, all personal services are closed. So we don't have any choice but to do it ourselves. And I bought gel nail set from Amazon. So it looks like this. It's way bigger, the one that they sent me. And this one also comes with the USB power cord and a few nail polishes as a set, but they're pretty good price as well. So I just gave it a try and I really like it. I would say compared to regular nail polishes, the gel polishes stays way longer. It is easier because you just cure your nails under the lamp. It dries pretty quickly compared to the regular nail polish that you have to wait for so long. And for me, having kids, I am not a fan of that. I need something that's quick and easy. The faster the better. So yeah, I am so excited to try these products from the Glam New York. So thank you again so much. So if you guys wanted to see how I'm going to use this and what I think about these products, and also if you stay watching until the end, I also have a surprise for you. So if you guys are interested, then let's get started. So I already have my acrylic nails removed and my nails pretty much cleaned up from the salon that I've been going to. So I have it all ready for me to just apply the nail polishes. Of course, I'll start with the base coat, and then one nail like this finger here, I'm going to use the glitter one. And then the rest of my fingers, I'm going to use the Hollow Night. So the Hollow Night is a holographic gel polish. It's like a combination of silver and gold, whereas this one is the pink or rose gold glitter nail polish. And then to top it all up, we'll put the top coat. So if you guys are starting with your natural nails, make sure you clean your nails first and remove or push back your cuticles so the nail polish would sit nicely on your nails. Right now, I think my nails are a little bit oily, so I'm just going to use this. This is just like alcohol or like acetone wipes for my nails, just to make sure I don't have any oil or dirt or dust on my nails to start with. So I'm going to do my left hand and show you guys how I will do it, but I will start it with that. And then I'm just going to plug my LED lamp or UV/LED lamp. This is just really so cute guys, I love it. So all you have to do is to press the power button. The first press will be for 45 seconds, second will be 60 seconds, and third will be just to turn it off. So first one is the base coat. After that, I'll cure it for 30 seconds or 45 seconds. Okay, then next will be the Hollow Knight. So I put just like one thin layer. If there's any extra or excess, you just use your thing. And then I'll skip this one because we're gonna use a different nail polish, and then I'll do it on the pinky. So again, just thin layer. We're gonna do a second application later on. This one here, this one I find it pretty thick because I think it's because of the glitter. So you guys can see how it's thicker, right? And most of the glitter, so it looks like that. It's really, really pretty. Just gonna put it on the ring finger. I'm just trying to spread out the glitters. Alright, and again, gel polish on the sides, the corners, the up, so it looks like this. Then again, use the UV lamp. And this one will also be 30 to 45 seconds. Now on to the second coat. And then we're gonna cure it again. This time we're gonna do 60. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like, my nails. I'm going to show you on the UV lamp because it's better lighting, but look at the holographic one. It is so pretty. So I'm just going to do the other side and I'll let you guys know what I think. So there you have it guys. That's how easy it is to do your nails, your own nails at home using gel polish kit from Madame Glam New York. So now is the time for me to give my final thoughts, my first impression on their products. So I obviously really enjoyed their products. It's quick and easy. It's pretty much the same as the one that I got from Amazon. By the way, this is also the brand that I got from Amazon, Coachella. But they're also pretty good. What I noticed right away though is that their gel nail polishes are pretty thick. So when I apply it, even if it's just like one layer, it feels like clumpy or like bumpy on some areas, whereas with Madame Glam, their gel polish is pretty thin, like the formula is pretty thin. Even with like the glitters, it doesn't feel like heavy or bumpy or thick at all on my nails, so it feels very comfortable. And then also with the top coat, I noticed like when I have like a little smidge off my nails after I have it cured on the LED or UV lamp, it's so easy to remove when it's on the skin and not on the nail, compared to the top coat that I got from Coachella before. Once it gets on your skin or on the side of your nails, so once you cure it, it's almost impossible to remove. So that is pretty convenient. And then last but not the least, what I notice is using their LED lamp and their nail polish, it doesn't feel like when I was curing my nails, it doesn't feel warm or hot or like feel like burning. Because before with the other set that I got from Amazon, it kind of feels that way most of the time. But with their products, I didn't feel that at all. I think because of the ingredients that they put into their products, that it is way safer and healthier for your nails. So that is really, really good. So I highly recommend for you guys to check them out. And since you watch this video until the end, you are going to get 30% off by using my special coupon code or discount code Wayne_1 when you use it on checkout when you purchase something from their website, and you'll get 30% off from your purchase. So I will leave the link down below together with my coupon code for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next week. Take care and keep safe.